So it's me straight. I'm just going to send this here. There's a car coming. Let's go. It's messy. Bloody hell, that seemed really, really good. Like that seemed really, really good there. Really messy at the start. There's a car coming. Really messy at the start. But like really, really messy. I'm shaking here. That car seemed like it was going like a bat out of hell there. That was exceptionally good. Wow, I am absolutely shaking. What a run. New wheels on her. I think I look quite smart on it. I'm not building my hopes up here, but it did seem like it was going like a bat out of hell. But also, it was really, really messy at the start. Really messy. I didn't get full pull until a fair bit down the run. So let's see. Stop that. I think the wheels look class on it. Anything above 140 is gonna please me. So stop. Record. Yes! 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 Oh, I'm a happy, happy man. There you go. Huh? Magical gearing. It sounded sweet there. Absolutely sounded sweet. Holy God! I am a happy man. Like, oh, I don't even know what to say. I'm bloody speechless. That thing was revving its nuts off there down that road. So it was 29 spool, whatever you want to call it, and 36 pinion. Wow, such a difference. And the 34 pinion only got me 140. That is huge, huge. I'm such a happy man. I I don't know what way this is going to come across in the video. Epic. That was absolutely epic. Bloody hell, that seemed really, really good.